All right, what they're asking us to do is take the derivative of the answer, that negative square root of 1 plus x squared all over x plus c, and double check that equals. So what we have going on is a quotient rule. So the derivative of the top is actually the chain rule inside of that, which I imagine that if you're at this point, then you should be good. 1 plus x squared is now to the negative 1/2 power times the derivative of the inside. Times you leave the bottom alone, minus the derivative of the bottom, which is just 1. You leave the top alone, which I'll leave it as that. Make it plus square root of 1 plus x squared. All over the denominator squared. And the derivative of a constant is 0. Now, at this point, we might need to have some magic happen to cancel things out. The 1/2 and the 2 will cancel. So what I'm looking at is the negative of, let's see, it's kind of gross, but it's 1 over, well, it'd be x squared over the square root of 1 plus x squared. This is still plus the square root of 1 plus x squared all over x squared. Now I can get the same denominator in the numerator. I know that sounds weird, by just multiplying by the square root of 1 plus x squared. And the reason why you would do that is now this and this can cancel. You'd have negative x squared with a later positive x squared. So in the top, you'd be left with 1. And these two pieces we could combine together and stick into the denominator. And let me put it this way, that dividing by x squared is the same thing as multiplying the top by 1 over x squared. And I believe that's what we started with. So our whole goal was to get to this piece. So I'm going to circle it in green. And that's what they wanted you to do, take the derivative and get it equal to the other side. So we did it.